In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Thunderbird's Send Later add-on. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to install the Send Later add-on. To do this, you want to open Thunderbird, you want to go to the top right, and you want to click on the three lines over here to open the menu, and then you want to go to Add-ons and Themes over here. So just click on that, and then from here, you want to go to Extensions here on the left, and you want to go to the top, and you want to search for Send Later, okay? So I'm going to type in Send Later. Of course, you could also do this inside recommendations over here, doesn't really matter, and you want to click on the search button. Now from here, as you can see, it's going to open up the Send Later add-ons over here, and you can use whichever one you want. I'm just going to go with this one, which is the most basic one, as you can see, with the most users. So I'm just going to click on Add to Thunderbird, and as you can see, there's now a pop-up where I have to click on the add again. And there we go. As you can see, that's essentially it. You can select over here, yes or no. I'm going to do no for now. And there we go. The first tab is done. You can close all these tabs now. And then from here, to actually use this, you want to go to New Message top left, and you want to compose your new email. So for example, I'm just going to go and select to, and I can do it to whoever I want. Like for example, I'm going to do myself, instant how to, there we go. Subject is going to be tutorial, and then the body tutorial as well. And then whenever you are ready to actually send later, you want to go to File top left, and then from here you can see there's a Send Later button. Now of course you have the option to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter as well, and if you do this, it's going to open up this pop-up over here. So how this works, super simple. By the way, it's also up here in the top right if you want to use that. You can select when you want to send this. So you can send it like at 5 minutes from now. You could also change this to, for example, 10 minutes from now. You could do like 60 or whatever. So of course you can change this. And then of course you could also go and just click on over here and pick whenever you want to send. So I'm just going to click on here, and I'm going to do, for example, at 14:20, which is 20 past 2 p.m. today, okay? Then you can of course make it recurring if you wanna. You can make it once, every minute, daily, whatever. I'm gonna go once, but of course you can go and change it as well. You could do daily, for example, every 1 day at this specific time, or you can of course go and select weekly, monthly, yearly, or function, which is going to allow you to do business hours, days in a row, or with delay, etc. And then from here, you can also select if you want to send between a specific time, if you want to send only on a specific day, and you can check mark those where you want to send. And then you can of course select until when you want to be sending. In my case, I simply just want to send later, so I'm going to send 60 minutes from now over here. And then as you can see here, you can select kind of these default buttons. You can go and click on in 15 minutes, in 30 minutes, or in 2 hours. You could go and put an outbox, send now, or send at the time you actually set up here. So 1 hour from now, there we go. I'm going to simply just click on that, and there we go. It's going to basically send this email later. So this is essentially going to schedule an email, and if you want to see your schedules up top right, you can see there's going to be the Send Later button. You want to click on that, and it's going to show you all your scheduled emails, their subject, recipient, folder, and of course when it's going to get sent. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.